Get ready for an exciting day today. We're here on Lake Titicaca. This lake is one of the highest in the world. Tucked in between these mountains, Lake Titicaca sits at 3,830 meters above sea level. So make sure to bring your coca leaves because you're sure to get altitude sickness at these heights. One of the main attractions to this lake is the Uros community that date back to pre-Inka time. The Uros people still build their houses amongst these reeds to this day. This unique way of building is ingrained in their culture. But before they settled on the roots of these reeds, they survived the Inka invasion by living on their boats, also made of reeds. Today we're going to be learning more about their sustainable way of living from a local indigenous here on the island. So how do you build your island?
Yeah, for example, this place we used to build island. For example, this piece, its name is Kile.
Kile.
Kile. That's floating in rain season. When the water is high, this floating in 2 kilometers far. This can be floating 10 or 20 meters square, big long. After we need to bring here. To bring here, we rent a big boat.
Okay.
After push here. First we put stake here and here. After tie. For example, to not move, we use anchor. Yeah, this anchor.
All right.
Yes.
I'm going to be your anchor here.
Yes. After we put this. It's necessary put in different directions. This one is 2 just here. This is modern house.
So how many people live on the islands?
It depends. In one island, in big island live 6 or 5 families. In small island 2 or 3 families. In total in Uros we have 1,500.
Wow.
And we have 93 islands.
Mm.
For example, one father have the 6 or 7 boys. When the boy get married, after they it's necessary build another island.
Oh, okay.
Yes. To build island, we asked a president. We have a president here. And the president choose one place after build island.
They build an island for you.
Yes. For example, to build island, we need 1 year.
Whoa.
It's difficult.
And you need a lot of people
Yes.
to help.
10 or 5 or 6 people. For example, to build house, we need 1 month half.
Why did you decide to stay on the island?
Yes, because when the Spain people wanted to work in the silver mine, like a slave.
Mm.
Yes, that was the reason that two Uru people they start lives in the middle.
Mm.
For example, to cook only was possible on the night, because when they cook, they make smoke.
Smoke.
To not see, we Urus people only they cook on the night.
Oh, wow.
Yes. The life of the Urus people was difficult here. Yes.
So why did you personally want to stay on the island?
Quiet, no pollution. In Puno, it is very traffic. No,
yeah.
I don't like Puno. Here I like.
You like this? You like the island life?
Yes, very good here. Yes.
And you also have a very good community around you.
Yes, very community. We know everything. It's a small community.
So how often do you have to replace the reeds?
Yeah.
Because they degrade over time. So how often do you have to put the reeds and replace them?
But like this?
Yes.
Because in the for example, here we need to put everything 15-20 days. For example,
15 to 20 days.
yes. For example, it's here.
Oh.
Yes, it's right. Yes, you can see.
There's water down there.
Yes, it's the water.
It's mud,
You can see, yes.
and it's degrading.
Yes.
As you can see. Ooh, and it's stinky
Because
too.
it's
Woo!
necessary. Yeah. Because it's necessary to every 15, 20 days. For example, like this. To move house, we need 10 people, 15, 20 people. First, we
15 to 20 people
yes, we
to move the house.
move house another side. After we put reeds, 1 meter approximately.
Okay.
After back the house.
That is a lot of work.
Yes.
What is the regional religion here?
Indian religion.
Andean religion.
Yes. Mother Lake.
Mother Lake.
Mother Earth. All people when first drink soda, water, first they put in the water a little after drink.
Oh,
Yes.
why?
It's
Like an offering.
yeah, offers.
What is the most difficult part of life, of living on the island?
Difficult. Here every day is difficult because we live in the middle of the lake.
Yeah.
Yes. To move, we use only the boat.
So every day is difficult.
Every day. To go to school, that's it. We need the boat.
We need the boat, yeah.
To go to Puno, that's it. If we don't have a boat, it's impossible.
The rainy season, does that make it more difficult
Yes.
for living?
Yeah, difficult. It's very difficult here. Because, for example, now we use the metal, a small metal, in the middle of the reeds. For example, like this.
Oh, okay.
Metal. For example, many years ago, we use reeds. After, filter the water.
Right.
Yes. For example, to walk here is difficult. But in cold season, it's very difficult here.
Well, thank you so much for
Thank you
teaching
for
us so
listening.
much.
Okay, thank you.
If you would like to learn more about the Urus and how to stay on the island, link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time in Cusco. We're going.